Okay, there's a couple views of the, it's just one bungee cord. I had to snip out a spot. It kind of just stays on there. I probably unplugged it there. I had to unsnip a thing there and unsnip a thing there. Turn it back on. The lens is flat or behind, so I think even if, I should say when, it gets a big smack, it's not going to hit the glass. And that's it, yeah. So once the kids leave, I can take this off real easy and don't have to worry about it again. But if someone comes over and they're new, just use this little cage, and I'll put a link to this cage on Amazon